Hey guys, welcome back to Professional Weekends YouTube channel. Today we're here in Cape Town, South Africa, and today we're going on a sunset cruise. It's going to be a ton of fun, so make sure to stick around, check it out, hit that subscribe button, and let's go.
Let's go.
Alright guys, so we are here in Cape Town, South Africa. We are currently in the harbor district, and obviously that's where the boats are. We are going to be hopping on this boat directly opposite of me. I believe this is the Serenity. So this boat is run by Waterfront Charters, not affiliated with us. They are part of City Pass, which again is not affiliated with us. Just everything that we do here in Cape Town, for the most part, is going to be through City Pass because it's such a good deal. So basically we paid about $100 US for access to up to 80 attractions in the 4 days that we're here. Pretty good deal, and that's why we just keep mentioning it in our videos. Not sponsored by us or anything like that. We don't even get a commission off any of this. It's just when we find something of a good value, we like to pass it on. If you don't use City Pass, this normally goes for about 250 Rand per person, so that's roughly $12. I don't know. Money just doesn't make sense here in Cape Town. I don't know. Some things are like normal prices. Other things like this are like ridiculously cheap. But of our $100 that we spent on the pass, this is one of the most expensive items here to help give us some of that value back. So it is a sunset cruise, and this is currently springtime here in Cape Town. So it's like October. They do offer champagne on board. Now we don't drink, so we won't be partaking in the champagne, but it is an option as well. I'm gonna see if maybe they got some Cokes on board. I think we may be out of luck because I see a ton of champagne. What are your hopes for the cruise?
I would love to see a whale. I also love to see a dolphin or a shark. And just something in the water. We already saw some seals. That was what we couldn't see again. What we learned on our last little video, we did the duck boats, and the guy on there said that there are some orcas that have been in False Bay that have been yeeting the livers right out of the great whites. That's why we haven't seen great whites in a few years.
Yeah, well, he did say that he thinks that the orcas have moved on. So
Hopefully. Some
of the sharks have started to return, but unfortunately the great whites have not yet.
No, have not. But I would love to see a whale tail. There you go.
All right, guys, so we are on board, and they do have a non-alcoholic champagne option. So we are the special ones because we get the yellow glass. Everybody else has pink champagne.
Oh.
A little bitter, a little sour.
Hard.
All right. Yeah, it's fun.
It's something.
We got seats here near the back,
Yeah.
private seating.
Mm-hmm.
So
Next to the wheelhouse.
you can sit up front and outside if you'd like, but it's a little chilly for that. And as the sun goes down, it's going to get more chilly. So
Yeah.
we've got a nice big open air window. I think it's going to be the spot.
And there's actually seats behind us too. So we could even sit off the back.
Oh, we could, yeah. I like being inside.
Yeah. It's a little cold here in Cape Town. And just like that, we're off.
So here we go, leaving the harbor. The boat doesn't sound that healthy.
No.
A lot of shaking.
A lot of Frenchie in the gears.
Not sure, but we're doing it.
Picking up 2 more people, I guess.
I guess there's one more late arrival. So they have to go up here to the other dock so we can hop on board real quick. Alright, there we go, leaving the harbor. I'm not sure how far we're going to go. I should probably turn on the Relive app.
So I did find out that the cruise terminal is right around the corner from here. So comment down below who would take me on a cruise to
Do an African cruise?
Yeah, why not? I'd do that. Unfortunately, we have not seen all of Table Rock because it has been super overcast since we've been here. I hope we'll see it soon. We do have an excursion plan for
There is world famous Table Rock. Top half is cut off by clouds. That's also City Pass if you want to do that.
Probably play less music on the pirate boat.
Somebody's a problem when it comes to music. It's going to be really hard to hear over the music, and we're probably going to get copyright. But there is a seal right at the edge of that pier. Seals all over the place. There's another one just laying there with a flipper up in the air.
Yeah.
Oh, we get a good view of the World Cup Stadium as we go by. So we're out here, and these swells are pretty good size. Some of these are 5 or 6 feet. Definitely getting a bit rough. All right, about an hour into our journey, we've turned around, and now the party mood has started because this is Shakira, this is Africa, in Africa. All right, so they at least started playing some songs from this millennia, so that's a good sign. Pulling back into Porto, so it's about the end of the cruise. This is Christine's Party Rock base. All right, well that was the sunset cruise. So unfortunately it's a bit overcast, so we didn't really get much of a sunset. It's kind of what I was hoping for. Christine was looking for more animals. We did see a couple seals, so that was pretty neat. Definitely more of a party kind of vibe, but also like not modern party. I don't know. When I think party, I'm thinking
Intergenerational party.
yeah. I'm thinking like people in their 20s, 30s, maybe even 40s like to party. These like the songs were so old. It was like a couple people in their like 70s and 80s were having a great time with the songs from the 70s and 80s. Definitely not Christine's vibe overall.
No.
So I don't think she really enjoyed it all. I thought it was okay. I had a good time. I mean,
I guess my expectations were just different. Like, I just think my expectations were different, right? Like I thought it was a sunset cruise like we've done in Florida, right? Where it's like a little bit more quiet. There's still some music, but it's not the point.
there's not really much room to dance though.
No,
either,
it
so.
wasn't. But like, you know,
And to go from like Shakira to Grease Lightning or whatever,
Yeah.
you know,
wow. So,
strange.
but if that's your thing, cool, enjoy it. It's just not something that I think I would sign up for again. I just think my expectations were just different. You
Well,
know?
look, it was included in the city pass, so
Yeah.
there's something to do.
Yeah.
Look, anytime we get a chance to get out on the water, I'm excited about it.
Yeah.
Particularly at sunset.
I would have loved to have heard the water. All I heard was Grandma Grindins.
All right.
Yeah.
Anyways, here are your pro tips for Sunset Cruise. Number one is they do offer free champagne, so if you're interested in that, you can get some of that. Also, they have other drinks available for sale, so bring some cash or card to purchase additional drinks. Number two is if you do plan on dancing, there's not really a ton of room there to dance on the dance floor, so find your spot. And number three, use the bathroom before you go because the bathroom is underneath the lower deck, and it's kind of difficult to get into, especially once people have had a few drinks. They had a tough time getting down there. So anyways, that's going to do it for us today, guys. Remember, hit the subscribe button. Really appreciate it. Really helps us out. With that being said, we're out of here, and we'll see you next weekend.
Let's go.
Wait, say it again. So basically, this boat is part of boat charters, waterfront charters. What is it called? Yeah.
Waterfront.
So this,
Charters.
so we are getting on this boat. What's included? So if you don't use